Hi guys, Nick Mower here today from Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you a 2014 Kubota BX2370 with the LA 243 quick attach front loader. This does have an RCK 60-23BX belly mower jack. I have bought and sold a gazillion of these tractors. They're an excellent tractor. This is a very good clean tractor. This unit, the loader is like new. He did have a front mount snowblower on this tractor primarily. Loader, when we picked it up, come out of his garage, I don't know if it was on but a couple times, and you can see that it's in just very, very nice shape. RCK again, 60-inch belly mower deck, RCK 60-23BX. We're going to take you around this tractor, start it, run it, show you everything it's supposed to do. We did sell the snowblower last week in the middle of the snowstorm. He had come in here and was on this tractor, and last Monday my son used it, and then the next day a guy called and said, well, we happen to have one. Powered by Kubota D902 3-cylinder diesel engine. This tractor has been in the shop last week and has had a complete and full service. All OEM Kubota filters and oils have been changed. Engine oil, fuel, Hydrostatic, there's 2 fuel filters, air, everything is done and has been serviced with Kubota OEM parts. There is a couple of scratches on the hood, one little scuff here, there's a little scuff here in the headlight. Bottom bezel on this tractor, what they call the bonnet. Something had come back, it had hit this right here and it had cracked it, and it had cracked this grill. The average guy would have never changed it. That thing is $340 some. We went ahead, put a brand new one on it. The tractor's that nice. I did not want to sell it with a crack here. So that has been repaired, or a new one has been put in place. Loader, you can see, paint is still on the factory edge. It's in beautiful shape. 60-inch belly mower deck in very good condition. Caster wheels are still good. No, the spindle tops have not been busted. I say spindle tops, caster tops here have not been broke. Fenders are excellent. There's a little superficial scratch here. It's just in the top of the paint, not in the metal or anything. Slow moving triangle is with it. Folding roll bar in a 70 series. Factory top link is with it. 540 PTO. I don't know that anything's been hooked to it. Category 1 3-point hitch. Coming around here, deflector is here intact, in excellent shape. Blades are good. This is a manual holder. Don't ever put them in there, they will get wet. Deluxe seat. You're going to have your mid and rear or rear PTO. PTO engagement, high and low range, up and down for your mower deck or 3-point hitch, 4-wheel drive, in and out. 70 series had the better style of dash. It gives you a tachometer, fuel, temperature gauge, 395 hours. I'm going to hop on this tractor, going to run it around. I'm going to show you that it does everything it's supposed to do. Here we go. Fellas, you want a good tractor, 395 hours, 2014 Kubota BX2370, one of the most common BX tractors produced is the 23 horse. This tractor is 100% ready to go to work. It needs nothing. It is serviced, it is ready to go, and again, primarily had a front mount snowblower. The loader was not used much at all, which you can see. 60-inch belly mower deck. Again, tractors right now are extremely hard to find. I just made a comment on a John Deere tractor we just videoed. If you find something today, you better buy it. And that's not a sales pitch, it's not a gimmick, it's not anything. Don't take my advice, don't listen to me, I don't care. We're in a market today, I can't buy equipment to replace what we've sold in the past several months. Spring for some people, I'm lucky, I do have some inventory, but spring for some people is looking pretty bleak. And that's going to be a continued thing. I don't care who says what. If tomorrow we wove a magic wand, it's not going to erase some of the damage that's been done with some of the manufacturing, some of the jobs, some of the supply issues. So I say that to you people that watch my YouTube videos to say, if you are on the fence about buying something, or I'm not going to pay those prices, I don't see this changing. I really don't. You know, in my short term of doing what I've done, I've been in this business since I was a kid with my father. When I've seen prices go up, you never see them take that drastic dip back. You may see several percent. This new pricing's here to stay. It's just like anything else. Once it goes up, it's up. You know, that's where we're going to live in here for a while. Everybody might as well get accustomed to it. We're going to move forward and do what we need to do, and I'm not going to live my life around fear and worrying about this and that. We have to continue to move forward. It's the best thing we can do for our country. It's the best thing we can do for everyday normal business. We have to continue to move forward. We're Americans. That's what we do. We continue to move forward, innovate, and do what we need to do to survive. So having said that, if you are looking for something nice, if you're looking for a nice BX, I have probably the nicest lineup of B series tractors right now in the used market. I have some really nice stuff for sale. If you're looking for something, give us a call. Check out our website, www.marksupplyco.com. Give Matt or I a call. I'll be glad to help you in your tractor needs. We do ship stuff every day of the week. We do what we say we're going to do. Please check us out. We're not out to fool anybody or hide anything. You got any questions? 814-658-3066. As always, thank you very much for checking out Mark Supply Company.